Okay, it's Dr. Buford here. We're just getting started on the right shoulder. We're inside the joint. It's a little bit hard to see right now because that torn biceps is just hanging down kind of in our face. And we're just taking away some of that torn edge there. And as we do that, it gets a little bit easier to see. And the next thing is we've got this rotator cuff tear to evaluate. Before we do that, I'm going to look at the joint. So here's the glenoid down below. A little bit of arthritis, but not too bad. You can see the redness in the joint capsule. That's just part of the inflammatory kind of reaction to the injury that you've got. And then the rotator cuff tear is all up in this region here. So we'll keep working here, cleaning this up a little bit, and we'll show you some more. Okay, so here's the tear. You can see it here. Probably going to be 2 anchors, but we'll see how it goes. We've got a spinal needle coming in that just allows us to plan our anchor placement. And I think we're going to try and place the first anchor posteriorly back in this region. So we'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. Okay, so we've tied the first 3 sutures for the cuff. And we've got this posterior aspect of the tear pretty well secured back here. We've still got a hole here, so we're going to place a second triple loaded anchor right here, basically right where that needle is, and finish the job here. So we'll show you when that's done. Okay, we're all done here. We've got 6 sutures tied. We'll take a little punch, that little 2mm punch. It's in the, yeah. And this looks really good. I'm happy with the repair. Those are the anterior 3 sutures from the second anchor. You can see a little bit of exposed footprint here, which is perfect. That gives me a little space to make some little holes in the greater tuberosity, which helps with the healing. And so we'll show you what that looks like here in just a minute. There's our little punch. We'll make one little punch laterally here. Go for it. Keep going, a little more. Okay, and then we'll make a second one back over here. Hold on, I don't want to get over there too far. See if you can get right there. Great. Okay, so we're done. We're going to get you back to the recovery room shortly. Good luck to you now. Bye-bye.